You think being quiet means you're shy? You're missing why introverts make surprisingly better decisions than anyone else. Have you ever noticed something strange? The loudest people sometimes make the biggest mistakes, but the quiet ones, they pause, they watch, and somehow, when it's time to decide, they're right more often. Today, I'll tell you why quiet people make better decisions using a simple story. Picture this. Two people apply for the same job. One is super confident, always talking, always interrupting. The other person barely speaks, but listens like they're collecting information. They both enter the interview room. The manager asks, "Tell me about your biggest weakness." The loud person answers fast, too fast. They try to impress, but they don't really think. The quiet person takes a second, then says something honest and calm. Not perfect, just real. Guess who gets selected? Here's the first reason. Quiet people think before they speak. While others are busy reacting, they're processing. They ask themselves, is this true? Is this helpful? Will this regret later? That pause is not weakness, it's control. Second reason, quiet people face less mental noise. When you talk a lot, you get pulled by emotion, pride, fear, anger, excitement. Quiet people don't chase attention. So they don't decide based on ego. They decide based on facts. It's like trying to drive with the radio loud versus low. With noise, you miss signals. With calm, you notice everything. Third reason, they're better at listening. Quiet people don't just hear words. They notice tone, patterns, what's not being said. In decisions, the missing detail matters, so they gather more real information before choosing. That's why in group situations, quiet people often give the smartest solution. Now listen, being quiet doesn't mean being passive. It means you don't rush. You don't respond to every trigger. You don't let other people's energy control your mind. So here's the question. Are you the quiet type or the loud type? And when you decide, do you rush or pause? Comment quiet or loud.